Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will bring down all your toggles, and one of those should be the Do Not Disturb. Now it will look like this, circle with a little cross vertically. And you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So I recommend at least going once through all these settings, customize them to fit your needs, and you don't have to ever go back there again. And then whenever you want to turn on or off your Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle and simply tap on it. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.